What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is the process of strategically leveraging social media platforms to create, publish, and promote content that engages targeted audiences, builds brand awareness, fosters relationships, and drives business goals such as website traffic, lead generation, customer acquisition, and sales. In the modern digital era, where billions of users are active daily across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Pinterest, Snapchat, and YouTube, social media marketing has evolved into a dynamic, multidimensional approach to communication and commerce. Unlike traditional advertising methods that push messages one way, social media marketing is inherently interactive, allowing brands to engage in two-way conversations with their audience through comments, direct messages, polls, stories, live streams, and more. At its core, social media marketing involves a combination of organic content strategies and paid advertising techniques. Organic strategies focus on building community through storytelling, value-driven posts, consistent branding, and timely responses to engagement, while paid campaigns use targeted advertising tools to reach specific demographics, behaviors, interests, and geolocations. A typical social media marketing strategy begins with defining clear objectives aligned with business goals, identifying the right platforms based on audience demographics, conducting competitor research, and establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, such as engagement rate, reach, impressions, follower growth, click-through rate, and conversion metrics. The content component of social media marketing includes images, carousels, infographics, videos, stories, memes, blog post links, and other media types tailored to the format and expectations of each platform. In 2025, video content, especially short-form formats like Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts, dominates user attention and engagement due to its brevity, storytelling potential, and algorithmic favoritism. High-performing social media marketing strategies rely on understanding audience behavior, creating compelling visual and written content, optimizing posting times, engaging consistently, and analyzing data to refine approaches continuously. Tools like Canva, Adobe Express, CapCut, and Photoshop assist with content creation, while scheduling and automation platforms like Buffer, Later, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social enable marketers to plan and publish content efficiently. AI-driven solutions like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Lately.ai also support content ideation, caption writing, trend monitoring, and sentiment analysis, helping marketers save time and scale their operations effectively. In addition to organic and paid strategies, influencer marketing has become a powerful social media tactic, allowing brands to collaborate with creators, both macro and micro influencers, to tap into niche audiences with high trust levels. Influencer partnerships often result in authentic content that resonates more deeply than branded advertisements, especially when influencers align closely with the brand's mission and aesthetic. Another growing trend in social media marketing is user-generated content, UGC, which encourages customers to create and share their own experiences with a product or service. UGC builds credibility, increases engagement, and serves as social proof for potential buyers. As algorithms across platforms become increasingly sophisticated, understanding how they prioritize content is crucial. Factors like watch time, engagement speed, shares, comments, and even the use of trending audio or hashtags can impact visibility. That's why consistent interaction with followers, timely responses, and algorithm-friendly posting schedules are essential for maximizing reach. Social media marketing is also closely tied to community management. A successful brand not only pushes content, but also listens and responds, managing its reputation, handling customer service issues, and participating in social conversations relevant to its niche. Social listening tools like Brand24, Mention, and Sprinkler help monitor brand mentions, industry keywords, and customer sentiment in real time, allowing for agile response strategies and crisis management. Additionally, platform-specific features play a major role in shaping strategy. For example, Instagram's use of stories and highlights offers opportunities for temporary yet impactful content. LinkedIn's emphasis on professional content allows brands to position themselves as thought leaders. TikTok thrives on trends and audio memes, pushing creators to experiment with fast-moving cultural moments. Paid social media advertising allows brands to amplify their message beyond organic reach. Platforms like Meta Ads, which covers Facebook and Instagram, TikTok Ads, Manager, LinkedIn Campaign Manager, Pinterest Ads, and X Ads, formerly Twitter, provide powerful targeting capabilities, letting advertisers reach users based on age, gender, interests, purchase behavior, location, and more. Advanced features like retargeting and lookalike audiences further enhance campaign effectiveness, allowing marketers to re-engage website visitors or reach users with similar profiles to existing customers. Budgeting in social media advertising is flexible, allowing brands to test strategies with minimal risk and scale successful campaigns. Campaigns can be optimized for different objectives such as reach, engagement, video views, lead generation, or conversions. A/B testing of ad creatives, captions, and calls to action helps identify what works best with different audience segments. Measurement is a foundational element of any social media marketing effort. Each platform offers built-in analytics tools, such as Meta Business Suite, TikTok Analytics, LinkedIn Analytics, and YouTube Studio that provide insights into post performance, audience demographics, peak engagement times, and more. Third-party tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and Sprout Social offer cross-platform tracking and conversion attribution, helping marketers understand how social media contributes to broader business goals. Continuous learning is essential in the fast-changing landscape of social media. Algorithms shift, user behavior evolves, and new platforms emerge, requiring marketers to stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices. Brands that thrive in social media marketing are those that remain agile, experiment with new formats, and prioritize their audience's needs and interests over purely promotional messaging. They use social media not only as a broadcast tool, but as a dynamic space for storytelling, problem-solving, and building emotional connections. In conclusion, social media marketing is a multifaceted, data-driven, and creative discipline that blends strategy, communication, psychology, and technology. It enables brands to not just market their products or services, but to shape perceptions, influence behavior, and build communities in ways that are authentic, scalable, and impactful. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a nonprofit organization, or a Fortune 500 company, mastering the art and science of social media marketing is no longer optional. It's essential for long-term success in the digital age.